Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your weemco subscription. So when you make a purchase of any product on their website, if you by mistake choose subscribe and save option, so they will activate subscription on your account. And if you want product or not, if you forget to cancel, you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you, like, the subscription cancellation is very easy. You just need to compose an email. Okay, so email format you can see on your screen, and you need to keep something in your mind. I will also discuss about the same thing, that is like you need to mention in the subject box like request to canceling your current subscription on weemco. Okay, so you can also do anything like you can also write at your own, and in the subject box you need to provide your account number, your name, which is your registered official name on their website, and your subscription starting date and end date. And you need to provide details regarding your subscription by which they can verify you. Okay, and in the body you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel your subscription, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. If you don't ask a proof of cancellation, they will cancel your subscription or they will not cancel your subscription. So how you will know your subscription is ended? Okay, so you need to ask a proof of cancellation in written. Okay, in the form of written. So once you compose this email, you need to send this email at their email address. The email address they have provided on their official website, hello@weemco.com. You need to send the email at this email address. Once they receive your email, they will contact you, they will provide you are able to cancel your subscription or not. Okay, but make sure you are going to provide at least 5 to 7 days notice period, or you can say at least 5 to 7 days prior to your next billing date. Okay, so once you send their email, they will cancel your subscription, and this method is also mentioned on their official website. So you can also see like email for 2 weeks and cannot get access from the group and very poor customer support and all. So they also mentioning on their, you can like this kind of you can like concern on their trust pilot page also. You need to send an email hello@weemco.com, and this is only way by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way. Okay, so because on there you can like admin panel, they have options. They, when you send an email, they will turn off your auto renewal. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.